Welcome back, everybody. Tonight we are going to convert this scooter into a moped. There are a lot of scooter haters in the community, and when you show up on a derby that can blast everybody, they get real butthurt. Well, I'm going to convert it to a moped so they can shut up. Before we begin, please like and subscribe, everyone. It really helps me. First thing would be to take these off, but I have a spare set, so I'm just going to take these ones apart. These are the stock foot pegs. We are just going to remove these. Okay. Oh man, this is going to be really fun to put back in. I can already tell. Alright, there's one. The next one. While I take this apart, I want to say thank you to my sponsor, Capital One. Right now, if you sign up with my link for Capital One, you get a 0 interest card for 12 months, 0 fees, and if you spend $500 in the first 3 months, you'll get a $200 credit. That is an incredible deal right now. Please check that out and buy yourself some treats or other fun stuff. We are going to cut up these pedal arms as donors to make this work. Alright, that is a 15. The right side is regular. Okay, left side is reverse. Alright, y'all, time for the grinder. Now all we gotta do is weld this back together. Should be good to go. I'm gonna throw this one in the snow and we can put them on. Alright, this guy is back from the snow. It's cooled off. We're ready to put it on. Huh. Well, that's a weird bushing. Oh, like that, like that. Aha! Alright. All the way up. Wiggle it. Ho ho ho, there we go. Alright. Sorry for my cold. Put a little grease on here, and then it won't vibrate as much, and the pedal won't fall out on a moped ride. There we go, you guys. Now you've got pedals on a moped. These pedals make it a moped. These pedals are awesome. They also fold up when you want to put it in the trailer to get to a rally, or if you need more space in your shop. I will post a link to these on Amazon. They're like $8. Alright, now let's do the other side. Goes in like so. That part gets pulled up. Okay, there we go. I think just like that. Okay. And this one is reverse thread. Okay. Get a little grease in there. They won't vibrate out that way. Alright. And this one is reverse thread. Alright, there you have it, folks. That's all it takes to convert a scooter to a moped and stop all the haters on the weekly moped ride. Hope you guys enjoyed and I hope it helped you. Please like and subscribe.